Okay, so after I catching the particle to the browse, so smoke here you can see. I just change some velocity here as second as well strong because in the first 5 frame here I want to the velocity strong is stronger than. So I set the key here maybe freeze 4 or freeze. Is this parameter here this pen you can set for yourself, but and in the 5 frame after I decrease the velocity strong to 2, you can see. And in the pubnet here in the show first in the shows you can see in the attribute I just increase the inherent velocity to 2.25, and the per phrase I decrease the life expectancies to this, and the contents the per phrase to 15,000. In the per frame goal I want to as previous video I asked you that when some particle like falls falling down, I want to like stop or moving a little bit. So I just raise the if condition here, and with the velocity I negative multiply with -1 to its moving of price. But for shows I skip the noise a little bit, and I also raise the force for the jet axis, increase the force of the rest jet axis to 1.55. Sorry. This parameter here you can adjust for yourself. You can change for yourself, right? So now we will raise after catching here I have this. Okay, so now we will raise the smoke. We will raise free smoke explosion smoke here, right? This. Okay, and the degrees smokes from the degrees here. Okay, and also raise the ground smoke here from this. We will raise free session. Okay. So first I will raise the explosion smoke here. So now I will raise the none. I will call it is out explosions out shock, right? Okay. So now let's see, I activate this. Here we go. And I will choose grow size and come to the pyros. I just raise the pillow smoke here. Okay, pillow smoke here. So I raise this rest controls. Okay, and let's see if possible. We show this guy and hit enter. Here we go. I have this. Okay, let's check this a little bit. I will. Just case. Boom. So now we will adjust a little bit for shows for explosions. So I will change the parachutes first. Come to here, you can see I had this reveal much explosions, smoke falling down a little bit before they fry. So we had to raise the velocity first. Okay, you can see very cool. Maybe it will slower, right? So I come down here. It's so strong, and yeah, so strong. It's very big area here. Okay, so go to this and this. I will rename this pyrosim as explosion, right? In pyrosim I call it also as. Go to try chill here, and maybe I will modify the parachute. Okay, so now let's try this. Here we go. So now I will decrease the particle separation to 0.5. Okay, and decrease the particle scale to 1. 1. Okay, here we go. You can see, very cool. And rasterize here, maybe I also decrease the particle scale also a little bit to 0.75. Oh, sorry, 75. Yeah, look cool, right? And finally, I will try to the velocity plot here. I want to raise a little bit for this. Okay, look cool, right? And come out like this again, and I will come to the pyrosim explosion here to modify a little bit for this. Okay, here we go. I don't want to see it. Okay, let's try this. Okay, go to here and change a little bit parameter here. I will go to the source density from charge. Maybe I will increase the scale velocity to 2 and also the scale of the density also 2. Velocity I keep 1, right? Resize container also I don't want to use the max bar here, so I uncheck this. The field drag objects also I will check to the out densities. Okay, to measure our density here. Okay, and go to the pyro source. I will decrease the temperature this field to a little bit to 0.25. Okay, cooling. Okay, cooling is 0.6, and policy I don't want his moving so much of, so I just this is 5 defaulting. The settings I don't want to is this dissipations I don't want is blur, I don't want is display, so I want I will decrease is parameter higher lowest, so 0.1. Okay, 1. This one also I just 2.5 setting a little bit. Okay, keep this and confident also. Okay, to check it. Okay, come in here. I go to pyro software. You can see the division size here is very slow because the file is so big, right? This side here very big. Let's check again the file here. Look at this a little bit because we are the file is so big, right? Sorry. You can see maybe 25. So I will also decrease a little bit to this. Okay, so I come to enter to this. Okay, I come to here and I will division size here 0.25, and the size here also I will decrease to maybe 15. It's also 15 and also 15. Okay, and the center is 0, 0, 0. Okay, it's okay. Here we go. Okay. Okay, now I don't 0 here. I maybe. Okay, sorry. See some the problem with the keyboard here, right? Oh, sorry. Okay, now the center is 0, maybe 7 up a little bit, right? And center here also 0. Okay, good. Until I will want to see density is 1 here. Okay, and let's check out. Check this again. Let me show a little bit for raise the density of pyro shock here. You can see I don't have the velocity, so I will raise another attribute. I raise the velocity. Okay, because here we go, you can see I have velocity attribute. That's right. Density, temperature, and velocity attribute, right? And at the noise, let's see this. Okay, I will just the noise here. You can see the noise here, right? you can try to checking the noise, right? So I don't want to use the animated noise here, right? And element size, now I will decrease a little bit. Maybe we also don't use this noise because just muscle is the same. Okay, if you use, you have to decrease a little bit. Don't much difference so much here, right? Is it fine? Okay, look good, right? Here we go. Try this. And okay, let's try this again before we get it right. Here we go. Yeah, very good, right? So I will go out. Here we go. I try this again. Boom. You can see the velocity will raise, the smoke raise here, and they will raise and falling down. Keep the velocity still moving up, right? Okay, now I will catching the file. Before catching the file, you can see we had to raise the collisions of stress for this smoke, right? So again, yeah, I will raise the difference sign a little bit to 0.5 too much is more faster, right? So now we had to raise the collisions. So I go out here, I raise geometry here, you can see we had the out VDB here, right? Remember this, we have out VDB here for the pitch back, right? Here we go. Very good. Okay, so now we will use this guy to raise the VDB's collision, right? Yeah, and we also had our geometry here. I just read in here and the node and name it to our geometry. You will see this guy. So we will use this to raise the collisions, right? So go to the Pyrosim explosions again, and here we go. I will raise the started to check here. Okay, and I will raise static shower, and here we go. I will merge the guy here together, right? And before we merge the guy here together, we also had to raise the brows, right? So also raise the brows in here, and I will merge the objects here. Okay, here we go. Okay, this. Okay, and try to this merge here, and I will change the merge is over than spiral software, right? The first this is just head to the first input, right? And I go to the static features. I will link the surpass to, let's see, our geometries, right? Our geometry here, and the opacity bus is geo. I will write the uniform geometries, also use the just to the object transform. In the collision here, I will try to you go to the collisions. I change to the mod is volume symbol, and so Rossi's volume here. I will raise the VDB, right? VDB. Okay, you can see. I uncheck to this slide here. You can see here our VDB views the slides. Okay, good. And the physical, I want to make this so strong collision, so I will increase the bounce here to 115. Okay, right? And frequency 0.5. That's so. And temperature shows dynamic frequency passes for temperature. I will read to a little bit to 1. Okay. Let's try this. Let's check this. Okay, here we go. Now we will catching this. So I go to the Pyroid box SO here, and I will raise the 5 cats and we will catch the 5s. Okay.